Hello everyone, back in Taiwan. I appreciate everyone's support when I was in Washington State building that small home. Really was a great experience, and I really appreciate everyone's support. I'm back at my little forge here. What am I going to do? Let's make a pair of tongs. How about that?
I made this box jaw style tong, a style I don't make often, for Guy Carpino. I need to give a shout out to him for his recent very generous donation to the channel. Also, I'm going to make another tong for him, and I'll do that in this video. This one will be my usual shorter length, and it's going to be a farrier flat style. It's nice to be back at my blacksmithing after so long, though it is taking me some time to get acclimated back to my work. So I'll keep my comments to a minimum and just let you enjoy. My wife said the blacksmithing bird disappeared for months, then amazingly reappeared the day before I returned. Eating bananas and driving me bananas as usual, but I love it. If you're on my list as someone who's wanting tools, tongs, and the like, I'll be in touch soon and really apologize for the long delay. As you no doubt know, I've got a lot more fooling around to do.